In this video, I'll show you how you can use ChatGPT to write a proposal that you can send to your potential client offering your services. So I offer writing services for businesses in the healthcare industry. Now I'm going to go online here, and I've looked up a potential client for my services. This is 2K Medical. They have a website, but that website does not have a blog section. Only it mentions here that they do have a newsletter. So I am going to offer to write some blog posts for them, or if I can be a contributor, we can come to an agreement to write a blog post for them. So my website here has my services listed: digital content creation, some patient products, and training or documentation that businesses can use to put some systems in place for their staff. So what I'm going to do is I'll just take screenshots of the services that I offer, and go one, and then I'll go over to ChatGPT and just plug that in. I'm using ChatGPT 4.0, so I'll just plug in my services, go back to my website, get that. So ChatGPT, you can get screenshots using Windows. The print screen button on your keyboard, you can just go and take a screenshot and come and just paste, like how you would paste images. So that's inside of ChatGPT, and I'll do the same for my potential client. I'll just paste, go back to Facebook, and start capturing the information here, the contact information that will be listed inside of the proposal. Anything else that we need to send? That's about all. And then I'll come back to ChatGPT. If I had the voice chat, I would just say it to ChatGPT, but I'll say one page proposal to 2K Medical offering my services as my services for two blog posts a week as a trial period for the month of August. And if they like the work, then we can discuss paid arrangement. So offering my services for free for 2 blog posts a week trial period for the month of August. And if they like my services, then we can discuss a paid period going forward. Okay, that's me. I'll just include my home. I'll just include my contact details here. So print screen, and come to ChatGPT here, paste. All right, make it formal yet friendly tone. All right, and then that's it. So let's see what ChatGPT will come up with. So it will do that, but then you can, okay, here, so this is what it's put me down as. Yeah, okay, you can tweak this out. Okay, oh, I don't like this. I hope this message finds you well and adjust goodwill. Okay, make it less, let's say, ass kissing, and shorter. Yes, it can be improved. It can be improved, but otherwise that's the gist of it. I could say, write the service and include the benefits to them. Okay, remove my background as Longgen Hospital and founder, but do mention that they can see more of my work on my website and PNG medical blog. So I like how GPT, you don't have to spell things exactly, but just saying it in a chat like manner, GPT will pick up on what you're saying, and it will correct you whatever spelling and grammatical errors that you make. So okay, all right, so that's that. It's good enough. You can always tweak it a bit more, so I'll just go and paste this into my email and delete that. ChatGPT comes with the asterisk as well. I should have asked it to write the date. What's the date for today? Friday, August. I think it's supposed to be autocomplete or something. August 9th, 2024. And 2K management team there. Just copy that. A bit of tweaking could be better. Paste. Okay, let's get that out of the way. And that's all saying what I think. The only other thing that I would change here is you can make this much better, but this just shows it's the gist of the work done by ChatGPT already. So, and I'm doing this in real time, so you can see how long it takes. Okay, that's all, and then you just get this bit out, and where's the bit here? So I can go to my website and just copy that, come back to my email. Paste that, and turn it into a link. Go to PNG medical blog, do the same, get the link and turn that into a link and web address, paste that, and that's it. And that's with ChatGPT. So thanks for watching.